Hi, my name is Eva and I teach maths, physics and technology and research studies in Oslo, Norway. Last summer I was at a presentation for teachers on how to convince students that climate change is real. The presentation really got me thinking. In my experience, convincing students that climate change is real isn't the problem. The evidence for climate change is everywhere. This was particularly striking last summer with heat waves, wildfires and flooding here in Norway. No, the real issue is convincing students that we can do something about climate change. While the effects of climate change is readily seen, it is not so easy to see the measures taken to stop climate change or mitigate its effects. Quite a lot of these measures are local and sometimes not even obvious to the locals, let alone people from other countries. So I decided that I wanted to get students focused on the solutions, not only in their own country, but also abroad. I wanted to showcase the local solutions to the global challenges that we all face. However, I needed help. I had students in my class in Norway, but that wasn't enough. To try out my project, I recruited some fellow teachers that had attended the same lecture to help me out. These teachers were from Kyrgyzstan and Slovakia. After a planning session, we decided that each teacher would plan their projects, have students carry them out, if necessary, choose which projects were to be presented, and then meet in an online session to present the projects. The projects were adapted to suit the local curriculum and interests of the students. The students from Kyrgyzstan focused on radioactive waste and vegetables grown in artificial lighting. The Norwegian students looked into policy concerning sustainable cities and land-based fish farms, and the Slovakian students investigated the local air quality in and around cities in Slovakia. All the topics could be related to the Global Sustainable Development Goals and to climate change. Finally, the students met up in an online session to present their work and ask each other questions. Although not without its technical difficulties, language barriers, or stage nerves, the students nevertheless got to see how sustainability and climate change can be approached from different angles, and how students can make a difference in both making and promoting solutions. Although students only met online, the preparation and meeting brought the students closer together and showed that exchanges of knowledge and ideas can be done online.